guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria Gift. I'm a Namibian YouTuber. I make videos and I post them here on YouTube. So I post them usually every Sunday. If you have not subscribed yet, please do make it a point to hit that subscribe button and join the family. It's always fun vibes and yeah, all things good over here. If you're a returning subscriber, guys, thank you so much. I cannot thank you guys enough. You guys are honestly the reason why I do this is no, you guys are honestly the best. Thank you so much for engaging me in the comments. Your likes are all appreciated. Those people that also DM me on Instagram, you guys are welcome and you guys are awesome. So let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, guys, homegirl just did her own hair. Like, I did my hair and I forgot to film because I thought it was gonna turn out horrible. I don't know why. So I just didn't film. But look, I did my own braids, guys. Even the parting, it was all me. Okay, it's not straight, but you do what you gotta do. And I use Brazilian wool. I don't know how to do at the ends. I think I'm gonna cut them, maybe put beads on it. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I did my braids. It's been in for a week now. So anyways, let's get into the video. So the first part of this video, we are reviewing SHEIN, guys. It's my SHEIN package. Can you guys see how massive it is? Yeah, so I'm so excited. If you've not watched my other video, I did a Temu haul. I put in these orders the same time, the Temu and the SHEIN. I put them together the same day, literally. And SHEIN is coming a week later. So fast delivery, Temu. Quality, I'm not sure yet. I like Temu's quality. SHEIN, there's some things here and there, but let's open this, shall we? Okay, and also it came with a hole. So delivery, I'm not gonna give a 5-star for the delivery. We are gonna do one by one, and as usual, I'm gonna put pictures here of what I ordered. So this, first things first, is this thing is for the toilet. So you like get stuck like on the inside on the rims of the toilet, and it's like a toilet cleaner or toilet something to just freshen the toilet basically. So you don't even know how it works. Yes, so basically you put this in here and then you just do toop, toop, and it gets stuck on the toilet, right? Next thing is this. It's a belt. So I have this trousers that I want to wear this belt with. It looked bigger in the picture. Just check. I do have a belt, like I have a trouser that doesn't fit like the big belts, but I didn't think it was gonna be this small, but it's not bad. The stitching is a bit small. It's a bit like, it's not so high quality, but for the price that I paid for it, I'm not complaining. And then we have this. What is this? A large. I think it's a dress. If you have not watched my Temu video, if you've watched my Temu video, this is the same bodycon dress that was on Temu, and it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. So what I'm then going to do is double the two dresses and wear them as one. Layer them. I will go on. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow my Instagram. I'll put my handle down there. It's also on my bio. And then you can follow me on Instagram. I'll probably post a picture. Let's move on. And then I also got this bag. Okay, now guys, I'm done with bags. Look at this one. It's like it's very low quality. Wow. it doesn't look like this in the picture. It's like, look at the stitching. Okay, no, it looks cute, but I don't think it's one that's gonna last very long. And the I don't know how I feel about this one. And the thing is, I can't even take it back because it's okay. It's probably one. I can't even put it over my head, so it's like a, yeah, maybe it's okay. It's cute. Okay, moving on. This I'm not gonna unwrap. It's a shower curtain. It's just a plain and simple shower curtain. It's 180 by 180. All right, I'm just gonna see the texture. Okay, it's not bad. And then this is a toilet brush. Again, I saw it trending on TikTok. That's why I bought it. TikTok made me buy it. So basically, it cleans your toilet. Oh. So you that and that, and this is like rubber, and you just use it to clean your toilet. And then it also has this that goes on here. Ooh, right? And then you keep it in there. So toilet brush. What's next? This. Oh, this is a pillow, a cushion cover. This is a cushion cover. It's so soft. If you have watched my other video, my SHEIN video, I have a rug down there now that feels like this, and every time I step on it, my feet feel so warm and fuzzy. So I was like, let me get a cushion cover that looks like this. Oh, it feels so soft. And then I also got this. What is this? Oh, this one is a skirt. This is a skirt. I had a skirt like this before. It has a slit, but I left it home, so I decided to get this one. I hope I fit. I really hope I fit. It's a large. It's see-through, very see-through, but if you wear it with tights, I'm gonna try it on later. And then I have this. What is this? Oh, these ones are for the bathroom as well. They are like to put your toiletries like in the shower, to like hang them on the wall. It's metal on the side and plastic. Metal at the bottom and plastic. This is really good. And there are two. Okay, what else? Then we have this. This is a beret. Is it a beret or beret? Some people call it a beret. Some people call it a beret. But winter is upon us, so I intend to wear this everywhere, literally. Would I fit? Is the question. Oh, I have braids on, but yeah, I like this detail here. I'll put a picture. I like it. I'm happy. And then this. Oh, it's bigger in person. This is a toilet paper holder. So you put the toilet paper in there, and then there's like a slit there, and the roll. Instead of taking out the toilet paper, you just roll like that. So for the bathroom, I bought so much stuff for my bathroom. And then we get to my favorite part, shoes. I needed to buy heels because I left all of my heels back home, and I have found a church. Homegirl has found a church, and she needs to be wearing heels to church. Oh, these are so nice. So she got herself some heels. I'll put a picture there. It's my size. Let me try them on and see if I fit. These shoes are perfect. Oh my word, guys. You see the way they look there? I look better. I look so good in these shoes. Oh my word. Yeah, I fit. This is how they look like. This is like elastic. This is not elastic, but this is elastic, and this is not elastic, so it goes across like this. Nice. Love it. I bought 2 pairs. Other pair. This is the other pair. This one looks like, oh, this one looks like this. It's elastic here as well. Oh, these are cute. These are so cute. I had a pair like this before back home, but it wasn't closed here. It was open here. Open sole, open toe, but this was elastic. Like, would I fit though? Looks kind of tight. Feels kind of tight. Yeah, that's it. That's everything that I bought from SHEIN, guys. That's everything that I bought from SHEIN. I love it. I don't think there's anything that disappointed me except, oh, okay, there is this bag. This bag is my disappointment. I don't really like it. I guess it's fine to like go grocery shopping or something, but I don't like carrying a bag just like that. I thought it's a crossbody bag, not a shoulder bag, but that's on me, not on SHEIN. And I also thought it's like pleather, not whatever this is. So yeah, it's the only thing that I'm a bit like, I give it a 4 out of 10, but not worse enough to want to send it back. Yes, guys, that is my SHEIN haul. That's everything I bought from SHEIN. We've come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Put in the comment section which one of my stuff that I bought you liked, if you've ever bought from SHEIN. And yeah, let's just engage. Let us engage. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Watch me come now, my brother. Over here, son. Over there, son. Over there, son. Over here, son. Round here, son. Go, son. Yes, big up on yourself in a real life. Get the beat rolling, my boss. All right. We will make we give thanks and praises because we got we life. Don't you we live in the ghetto and the life is steep. Still we survive. Gunshot a bus in the morning and the evening. Gunshot a bus right through the night. Give thanks and praises cause we got we life. Come and we give thanks and